Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So if you've been following along with my gold videos, hopefully you've been making a really good amount of money. I've been long on gold all week long. I think I got long last week actually. And it's because we had the end of an A, B, C correction. It definitely did overshoot to 61%, but I mean, it definitely did respect that level. Impulsive up, corrective down. I think that this will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. I think we're headed back up to make new all-time highs, probably at least at 3,500 and possibly even a little bit higher than that. So definitely bullish. Now I left my Fibonacci retracement from yesterday on here because it wasn't a very big pullback, but look at this. It's one, two, three waves down. Perfect three wave, perfect Fibonacci bounce. Exactly what I look for every single day. One, two, three waves down. One, two, three waves down. So what am I doing right now? I'm definitely 100% not looking for shorts. I'm waiting patiently for more three-way pullbacks. I'm actually already long. I got a long way back here, like last week on like Thursday or something. And I wouldn't mind adding to this and maybe even getting in again. So that way you can build a nice position to the long side. So I'm waiting for three-way pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.